Welcome to my channel. I am simply marvelous. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have a unit that I got from this company called Recool. This is my first time working with them. This is not sponsored. This unit is a 13x4 lace front wig, 14 inches body wave. So, like I said, this is my first time buying a unit from them. So let's see what this is all about. And I just did this review on this unit here, so check the link. So it tells in the package, can't remember what package it came in. I don't know if it was FedEx or Delaware. So let's see what's in this kitty bag. It's 100% human hair. Make sure your information. I'll just care for your wig in a bag. But you can always use some clips, hair tips, and strap for your wig, cap, bonnet, and a comb, which I always use. Like it has that factory smell from I think it had layers in it, but anyway, it has your adjustable strap. Oh, when it's already in here. Put some powder. You don't have to cut it. Oofing. I like the smell of this powder. It smells like coconut. Let's take this off. I have to get used to the part on this side. I can change it, but oh, I'm like, that's this pretty. I'll put some I can't help but see. So I'm not going to take it down. This is really, really pretty. Careless fail. Just give me some little bangs right there to swoop it up like that. That'd be really pretty. There's, yeah. The mirror too far away. And it's not even tacked down. Look at this. They gonna ship this baby in my part right there. It's the minimum shading on the unit here. Just too. Okay, guys, this is the end of this video. Recool effortless wig, timeless beauty, 14 inches. I will put the link in the description box below. Let me show you guys what she looks like. Here. I applied too, and like I said, this wig is not glued down, so you can glue it down with all your normal glue this stuff. But she is a beauty. This to be my summer wig. Summertime. Alrighty, guys. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think on this beauty here? I have no issues. Like I said, a few strands. Nothing to complain about. Put your comments in the box. Tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Till next time, I thank you all for stopping by. Stick with me. See you in the next video. Peace.